Okay. So if you take before @ that's a username. If you take after @, that's a domain. So now how Python works logically is if you give any email ID, either it can be gmail.com, cognizant.com, tcs.com, wipro.com, how it identify the logic. So step one, can you read it here for me?
Yeah, get email input. Email is equals to input. Enter your email
And you're
and
giving the
then
input as
input.
your email, whatever your email, okay?
Yeah,
By using the input
and
function.
input takes input from the user and email stores the string entered by the user.
Correct. So for example, the email ID is bro123@gmail.com. Okay.
Yeah.
Now next, find the index of @.
To split the email, we must first find where the @ symbol is. And index equals to email dot index @. Yeah, this will find the index number.
Correct.
And then dot index function is a string method that returns the first position of the given character in the string.
Okay. So first occurrence.
Yeah.
Okay. So come down. So it will find the position of @. So the output is 6. So let's count. Is the @ is at 6? 0. B is a 0. 1 is R. 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5, and
6.
6.
Yeah. @ is 6. Correct.
Yeah.
So the position of with the help of index is 6. Now we have found it
Yeah.
6. Okay. Whatever the thing is before 6, that will be considered as a username, and whatever is after 6, that will be considered as a domain. Simple logic, right?
Yeah.
Now the
Yes.
username is equal to email :index.
Yeah. From starting to index point.
Yeah, till index.
Yeah.
So we use slicing to get everything before @. So since the start is from 0, we can skip writing 0 index. So email :6. So 6 is where @ symbol is there. So :6 means from the beginning to till 6. 6 means n-1, which is 5.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, now come down a little bit. Extract domain. Domain is equal to email index +1 : what is the index +1? 6 + 1, 7.
Yeah.
That's how it works, correct? So
Yes.
7 and then colon till the end. It start with 7 and till the end.
Yeah.
So display result is like printf your username is, and it will get your username, and domain is domain.
Yeah.
So come down. So username is equal to email :index, which is 6, and then here 7 :
Yeah.
from beginning to till index means first you will get single quotes. From index to till end means the colon will get at the end. So this is
Yeah.
the simple logic. Okay. If it is
Yes.
the till index, colon will come first. Index means till the end. From the beginning means colon is at the beginning, and the end means colon is at the end. Okay.
Yeah.
So are we clear in this logic how the Python is working for your email
Yeah.
address?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, alternate shortcut version. Email is equal to input, enter your email. Username is email : index @ and domain is okay. He has written it in a little bit different way. That's fine. If we understand that logic, that is enough.
Yeah.
Username, domain, okay. Print. Okay, this is okay, fine. Come down. You got this point, right? Common mistake
Yeah.
of
Yes.
come down a little bit. Yeah. How to take user input, how to use the string methods like index. Slicing will start with the value of the index. how to use f-string, how to you handle the basic errors.
Yeah.
So index is a function which we are using here, and apart from that, we are doing the normal slicing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the format
Format
specifiers?
specifiers. A format specifier lets you control the appearance of your output, how numbers, text, or currency are displayed.
Hmm.
You use them inside an f-string placeholder after a colon.
Hmm.
And syntax will be if value colon flags. For example, price is equals to 3.14159. Print f colon price colon dot 2f. It will print only these two after the two decimal places.
Yes. After the point, it will take two decimals.
Yeah.
If you give single f, it will take only single f. It will give 3f. After point, it will take three decimals.
One.
Okay, depending on the whatever the input that you give. Price dot, price is a full value, and colon means after that whatever you want to give the round off, either 2 digit, 3 digit. If you want to go with the 1 digit, it's up to you. Okay, below are the examples. Decimal point precision dot nf. Yeah, this is also the same, right? Allocate space width. Yeah, can you read this?
Yeah, you can set the width for a value. Width means number of spaces reserved.
Hmm.
And here syntax colon 10 means allocate 10 spaces from beginning to 10 spaces. And then example print f price 1 colon 10.2f. And
So before 3.14, you will get 10 space. And then 3.14 will get print. You got the logic?
no, I didn't understand what's the
What is happening
purpose of.
is, see, for example, if you want to get print 3.14 in the beginning, you don't
Yeah.
need this concept. When you want 10 spaces before 3.14, and then you want
Okay.
to print 3.14, which means
Yeah.
if you copy paste this program and execute in your Visual Studio, it will give 10 spaces before 3.14 number.
Okay,
Yeah,
like here.
yeah,
Yeah.
correct. You got it? If
Yeah.
you want
Okay.
more space, then it will move further. That's how it
Yeah.
is.
Zero padding.
Yeah,
To pad with zeros instead of spaces.
correct. And just to understand here, see, price 1 0 1 0 dot 2f. Okay, dot 2f means after dot it will take two values, and then 10. Can you count these 10 zeros or 10 or not?
Here.
Yeah, 1 2
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 only. Okay, total 10. Okay. Total 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah.
9, 10.
9, 10.
3.1.4 also you have to count. Total width is
Yeah.
10. Pad with zeros. In that your value is 3.14. You got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Total, it's like total padding is like 10. But 3.14 is the value which you have taken. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, come down. Justification alignments.
You can align text or numbers left, right, or center within a given width.
Mhm.
Left align means value goes to the left. Colon less than 10 and right align means values goes to the right by default.
Hmm.
Colon greater than 10 and center align value is centered.
Hmm. Hmm. So if you want to move spacing left side, right side, depending on the requirement. If you see that center align, the cap symbol, it is at centered. If you want to move your text a little bit left, then you have to use that less than symbol. If you want to move it right, then you have to use that greater than symbol. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just an alignments. Okay.
Yeah.
How you want to view showing positive signs.
If you want positive numbers to also show a positive sign, use the positive flag.
That's it, right? If you want to see the positive, then you have to use positive. If you want to see negative, then use negative.
Yeah, here, but it shows plus.
Okay. Might be a typo mistake.
Yeah. And comma separated. To separate thousands with commas.
So comma is applicable after 3 digits. Okay, that's how the logic works. To separate thousands with commas. So price colon comma means price 2 colon comma, price 3 colon comma. See, you see that after 3 there is a 3 digit, right? So before 3 digits it will introduce comma. Whenever you see 3 digits, the comma will get introduced.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Mixing multiple format specifiers.
You
See,
can
one of
combine
the
multiple flags to get exactly the style you want.
Yeah. Now whatever we have learned, dot 2f means after dot 2 spaces. Plus 0, 1, 0 means you have to padding 0 for a 10 padding.
Okay.
You got it? The
Like
total
overall, the length should be 10 or
10.
only with zeros, it should be 10.
With zeros, no, overall is 10.
Yeah.
After before the values, 0 will be added. That's how the
Okay.
logic is. Okay. Come down.
Yeah.
See, you see the explanation below. Pad with zeros, total width 10, total width 10. Remember the point, total width 10. Add a comma separator, 2 decimal spaces. You see? Now the output below is all these things. Now if you have to count with 0 also, plus also. Plus is
Okay.
0, and then next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it? Or one extra is there?
10 and these two 11. 11 and 12.
Okay, okay. We have to count before dot one.
Okay.
Okay, because
We
dot
should count this comma. I think we should don't count this comma.
No, you should count the comma also.
Okay.
Can you count from beginning again? Place is 0. The next
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 is only coming, correct?
Yeah.
8. Total padding is 10, right? 9 and 10. Can you go a little bit up? Okay, then plus 0 we should not consider in that case.
Okay.
From here you start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, still 9 is coming. Maybe output is wrong. Okay, go a little bit above. And copy this. 1 minute, 1 minute. Copy this print statement. Print f price 1. Copy this. Total. Go to Visual Studio. Price 1 is equal to 3000. Give first variable value.
That's you. When you sing in the band?
Price 1 is equal to
And what is the value?
3000. Now, why are you giving hyphen is equal to, right?
Yeah, wait.
Can you count the spacing? Total padding is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, here it is coming correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Total, see, in here, the total padding is a 10 only. Can you count? See, plus is a 0. And then 0 is a 1, 2, comma is a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Correct?
Yeah.
So go to the document. In the document, the output is wrong.
Yeah.
Double zeros has been extra added here. Okay, it should be removed.
Yeah.
Now, whatever the functions that we have performed, dot 2f, 10 colon 10 dot 2f, colon 10 means the total width is 10. 0 10 means 0 padded. Less than symbol means left alignment. Cap 10 means central alignment. And plus 2f means show plus a sign. Okay, it will show plus sign and comma operator.
Yeah.
Padding with 0, 10 dot 2f. This is the last one we tried.
Yeah.
Okay, come a little bit down. This is the value. This is what the examples are. Copy paste this enter one, price 1, 2, 3. And let's execute something on copy the below statements also. Just replace, yeah. Save and execute it. What is the price one? 0, 3, comma 141.59 minus 0, 9 because minus is displayed there. And
Yeah.
then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.8. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, let's go to the document again. Yeah, can you read it?
Key takeaways. Format specifier makes your output clean, readable, and professional, especially useful in financial applications, reports or dashboards, tables, and data alignment. And now while loop. A while loop in Python repeatedly executes a block of code while a code remains true. If the condition becomes false, the loop stops, also called loop termination. Syntax while condition and name is equals to input, enter your name, while name equals to means here true. If we give the input, it will take it as name equals to true, then it will execute this. Print you did not enter your name. Okay. Okay, here they yeah.
Yeah, we are giving space, correct? Without giving
Yeah.
anything, by we are giving double quotes means space, correct?
Yeah. You did not enter your name. Name is equals to input, enter your name. Again, it will ask enter your name.
Then if you give the right input, the while loop will stop.
Yeah.
And then
this
the
will
statement will print. When the while loop will start is until the condition met false.
Yeah.
If it is true, it keep on repeating.
Yeah.
It is keep on asking you until you enter the name. Something you have to enter. Okay.
Yeah.
That's how the explanation. While name is equal to double inverted commas, check if the input is empty.
Infinite loop risk because name never changes inside the loop. Here name never updates, so the condition stays true forever, infinitely.
Until you enter the value, it is keep on repeating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Validate age, enter your age, and while age is less than 0, print age cannot be negative. And again, it will ask to enter your age, and if we enter greater than 0, it will print your age is you are this much years old.
You don't want to cover your ears.
And quit to q. Food is equals to input, enter a food you like, q to quit. And while food dot lower not equals to q, print you like food. Okay, what we enter, it will return here. You like this food. And then again, it will ask enter another food you like. Until we say quit, it will repeat these statements. And if we enter the enter q, it will exit this value and print by.
Perfect. Until you give the Q, it will keep on asking you the food. Until you give Q, it will stop asking you.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why most of the times the while loop is not preferable because it always go into infinite conditions. Okay. Yeah. Go with the example 4.
Number between 1 and 10.
Would you like
Num
to
is
give a
equals
try?
to-
Would you like to do the lab of Q? Can you go a little better? Copy this entire content and execute. Just enter pizza.
I think it should be shown.
Did you execute?
Yeah, it is showing in output tab, but we cannot type here.
Can't you type here?
It shows cannot edit in read-only editor.
Okay, copy this program and go to Copilot.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Like pizza. Yeah.
Like dosa, type dosa.
Let's keep on repeating, and if we enter Q, it will say bye. Yeah.
Perfect. That's all. What is next?
Enter a number between 1 and 10 while num is less than 1 or num is greater than 10. Print num is not valid, and here num is less than 1 or num is. I think here it should be and, right?
Yeah, correct. Between, right? Between 1 and 10. Okay, it's a mistake.
Between 1 and 10 means num is greater than 1 and num is less than 10, it should be.
No, what it is checking is if number is less than 1 or number is greater than 10, it won't accept.
Okay. Yeah.
Not valid.
Okay. It is printing not valid. Yeah.
Yeah. Then
If
number
it is
equal to-
written, it should be if it is reverse, it should be the number is valid.
Yes, yes, yes. It will keep on asking you. Then it will say your number is number. That's how the logic works.
And infinite loops. If the condition never becomes false, your code will loop forever. Example, while true, print this will never stop. To stop it manually, press Ctrl plus C internally.
Come down.
Basic while loop runs until condition becomes false. Example, while x is less than 10, and then user input check repeats until valid input, like while num is equals to empty. And logical not opposite direction, while not food equals to q. And logical or either condition true keeps either condition true keeps loop running, like this, while num is less than 1 or num is greater than 10. And then infinite loop, never ending loop, no exit condition while true. And key takeaways: a while loop checks a condition before every iteration. Always make sure something inside the loop changes the condition, like re-prompting input. Use break if you want to exit manually. Great for input validation and repetitive checks.
See, if you understand this, it is okay. If you are not understanding this, leave it. There is a formula for a requirement of compound interest. A is equal to pi into 1 plus R100 by into TA.
Yeah.
As per the formula, you have the variables. A, we have a value. P, we have a value. R, we have a value. T, we have a value. You should ask as an input function the values to those variables and apply in that formula. Come down a little bit. You got it, right? See, till now, do you feel anywhere Python is boring? Do you feel anywhere Python is a headache? No, right?
No.
We are simply giving a walkthrough, and wherever we are getting a doubt, we are executing stuff, correct? Now, within 3 classes, you would have gone a little bit of confidence that I can and I will, correct?
Yeah.
That's all. See, you're not doing any magic here, and you're not writing anything on your own. It's all completely depend on logic. And in the logic, what are the variables you are using? How you are passing the values to those variables? Either it is integer, character. If you are giving input function, input at the time of input only, what kind of a value? Is it integer, string, boolean, float, what it is? That's all. Okay, come down a little bit. Now you understand this formula?
Yeah, yes.
Do you want to test it or how it is? If it is okay, then it's okay. If it is not okay, that is also fine.
Okay. We'll go to next.
Yeah. This is a full program, okay?
Yeah.
Now come down. I think another Pi version is there. What is the loop?
What is a for loop in Python? A for loop is used to repeat a block of code a specific number of times or for each item in a sequence, like a list, string, or range. For variable in sequence, variable takes one value at a time from the sequence. Sequence can be a list, tuple, string, or anything iterable. The colon indicates the start of the loop block. The code inside the loop must be indented. Like we should give spaces.
Correct.
Counting from 1 to 10. For x in range 1, 11, print x. Here 11 means 11 minus 1, 10. It will give 1 to 10.
Exactly.
X
understand what the
takes each
range
value.
Function does.
Yeah. Iterating backwards. If you want to count from 10 down to 1, use the reversed function or specify a negative step. For x in reversed range 1, 11, print x. Okay, this is method 1 and this is method 2 using step value. Yeah, same as string functions like initial value, final value, and step value. Counting by steps, you can specify a step to skip numbers. For x in range 1, 11, 2, print x. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and that's it. Starts at 1, stops before 11, increments by 2. Iterating over a string. Yeah. You can loop through each character of a string. Credit card, for x in credit card, print x. It will print all the strings here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And using continue and break. Continue, skip one iteration. Use it to skip the current loop cycle and move to the next one. For x in range 1, 21, if x equals to 13, skip 13, continue, print x. It will print all the values except 13 value, 1, 2, 3, and so on 12, and then skips 13 value and continues 14, 15 up to 20. And break, stop the loop completely. Use it to exit the loop immediately. For x in range 1, 21, if x equals to 13, break, or else print x. It will print up to 12. After x is equals to 13, it will break the for loop.
Perfect. Come down. Now this is all what we have discussed so far in the for loop, range, start, stop, step, iterate backward, iterate over string, continue, break. Okay.
Yeah.
X is equal to 13, continue, x is equal to 13, break.
When to use for versus while loop.
This is really
for loop.
good.
Yeah.
1 minute.
For loop,
I'll get some water. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, for loop, when you know how many times to repeat, fixed iteration. And while loop, when you don't know how many times, example, waiting for user input or condition.
Can you repeat these two statements again and again?
Yeah, we should use for loop when you know how many times to repeat, like fixed iterations. And we use while loop when you don't know how many times. Example, waiting for user input or condition.
Okay. So can you give me any one example for loop?
Yeah, like we have to print prime numbers up to 20, 50, like certain range. And while loop, as we see the above example, if the user enters a number, it will print the number, or else it will ask again and again to enter a number.
Okay, come down.
Nested loops in Python, which means a loop inside another loop. And a nested loop means having one loop inside another. The outer loop runs first. For each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop runs completely. You can have a for loop inside another for loop, a while inside a for, or even a mix for inside while. Basic nested loop. For I in range 1 to 4, outer loop runs 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. And for y in range 1, 4, inner loop also runs 3 times per outer. Print x, y. Yeah, when x equals to 1, inner loop runs 3 times and it will give 1 comma 1 1 comma 2. It will doesn't change the x value for the first iteration of x value. So y changes 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3, and same with x equals to 2 and 3. And example 2, printing 1 to 9 on same line. Normally, every print function adds a new line after printing. But if you want to print numbers on the same line, use the end parameter. For x in range 1 comma 10, print x comma end is equals to, and then output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If you want spaces or dashes between numbers, print x comma and we should give a space or a hyphen. It will give the output one space, 2 space, like this.
Perfect.
And example 3, nested loop with outer and inner loops. Now let's repeat the numbers 1 to 9 3 times using nested loops. For x in range 1 comma 4, for y in range 1 comma 10, print y. 3 times. Yeah, it will keep on printing this 3 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the y values, and for each iteration of x it will print again and again this value.
Yeah.
So outer loop
1 comma
3
4
times.
means n minus 1, and same here 1 comma 10 means 9 times.
And example 4, making a rectangle with nested loops. Now we use nested loops to print a rectangle pattern using user input. Rows, enter the number of rows, and columns, enter the number of columns. Symbol input, enter a symbol to use. For x in range, for y in range, rows and columns, and then print symbol and symbol without line.
And double quotes means without any space.
Yeah.
And whatever the symbol assigned, no? What is the value assigned to the symbol?
Or dollar.
Okay.
Yeah, for each iteration, for each x iteration, it will print these 10 columns. Yeah, like that. Here x equals to 4, so it will print 4.
Okay.